Art can bring life and joy to your home or office. Finding and framing that art can be overwhelming for some. The experts at OAI Art Services are here to offer their specialized services and to help make your space simply stunning.
Art is for everyone. Art really sets the mood of the space. It can bring elegance, it can bring color, it brings movement, it brings peace or joy, harmony, whether it's a corporate setting or a home setting. What speaks to you? Art is for everyone. My late husband and I started this business in 2010. I'm honoring Oscar's legacy and carrying on this business because it was a dream of ours. It was something that we were both very passionate about.
Services include art selection, custom framing, installation, and everything in between.
OAI Art Services provides canvas stretching, custom framing, digital imaging, art resourcing, and professional art installation services for commercial and residential. Custom framing can bring new life into an old piece or any piece for that matter. It can change the whole appearance of a priceless heirloom that you may have gotten from great grandma. We can help a customer pick out the frame for an art piece, a diploma, a wedding portrait, family picture. We can print for them, or we can help them find art, whether it's for their home or for an office space, and then deliver it and professionally install.
Give your room a real wow factor. Sometimes all it takes is an updated frame or a unique installation.
Art is subjective, it means different things to different people. For me, art can transform something cold and barren into warm and inviting, and it's completely up to the individual. A professional installer will come equipped to handle just about any surface you could possibly think of, whether it be tile, whether it be standard sheetrock, brick, stone, any of those mediums. And we're going to minimize any damage to the surface that it's being installed on, and most importantly, minimize damage to the piece.
I had the pleasure of meeting Jennifer and Oscar about 4 years ago. I brought in some artwork to be framed, and they also hung all of our artwork in our home because we had recently moved to Houston. So it was an amazing experience right off the bat. When they came to my house the very first time, they pulled up in the van and they all came out with their little tool belts on them, and they were ready to work, and they were so careful with the artwork. But they came into the house and they, absorbed the environment, and they helped guide me as to the best height, place, for the actual pieces. Sometimes gave specific advice on where to place a piece, and also how to enhance a piece with specific type of framing. They're kind of like a one-stop shop.
OAI Art Services makes it easy for everyone to select the right art for the right style and space. Let your artwork beautify and inspire those around you.
OAI Art Services believes in the local art community. We believe they are the backbone of the local art scene. They bring passion to the city. They bring color and excitement and vibrancy. All of the art in our showroom right now is actually local Houston artists. I firmly believe that every home should have at least one piece of art from a local artist.
If you'd like to know more about OAI Art Services, visit oaiartframing.com or designingspaces.tv.